Best Weber grills. Weber is practically legendary, but with so many models, Genesis, Spirit, Kettle, it's honestly confusing to figure out which one you actually need. I didn't want to just guess, so I got my hands on the top 5 most popular Weber grills out there right now. I've cooked on them, messed with the features, and checked the build quality to show you exactly which one is worth your cash. Product number 1. Weber Genesis E325. Standing in front of this, it feels solid. The lid is heavy but smooth to lift, and the black enamel finish looks great. I really like the pure blue burners on this model. When I fired it up, the heat distribution was dead even. No hot spots burning half my burgers while the other half were raw. The searing zone is a nice touch too. I got some serious grill marks on my steaks without much effort. The grease management system is also super easy to pull out and clean, which saves a lot of headaches later. If you want a reliable, no-nonsense gas grill for a standard family dinner, this hits the sweet spot. It's not the biggest, but it handles everything you throw at it perfectly. Speaking of needing more space, product number 2, Weber Genesis E415. If you're constantly feeding a crowd, the Genesis E415 is the big brother you need. Immediately, I noticed the extra width. It takes up more patio space, but having 4 burners gave me so much control. I was able to keep one side on low for veggies while searing meat on high on the other side without the temperatures bleeding over too much. The build quality feels just as sturdy as the 325, with those heavy-duty cast iron grates that hold heat really well. I managed to fit about 20 burgers on here at once, which is crazy. It's definitely overkill for a couple, but if you're the designated host for parties or big family reunions, that extra burner makes grilling way less stressful. Now, if you want to get back to basics, product number 3, Weber Original Kettle Premium. This is the 22-inch version, and honestly, there's something special about physically pouring charcoal. It's surprisingly lightweight to roll around, but the porcelain enameled bowl feels tough. The premium part really shines with the ash catcher bucket underneath. On the cheaper models, ash blows everywhere, but this caught everything during my test, making cleanup way cleaner. Flavor-wise, you just can't beat it. I smoked a tri-tip on this using indirect heat, and the temperature control via the vents was super responsive once I got the hang of it. It takes more patience than gas, obviously, but if you are a purist who prioritizes that smoky flavor over convenience and wants to save some money up front, this is still the king. However, if you want that high-end look, product number 4, Weber Genesis S335. You have to look at the Genesis S335. This is the stainless steel model, and it looks incredible in the sun. It feels heavier and more industrial than the black enamel versions. The biggest win here for me during testing was the side burner. I sauteed onions and mushrooms right there while grilling steaks, which meant I didn't have to keep running back inside to the kitchen stove. It also has a sear station that gets ridiculously hot fast. The stainless steel grates are 7 millimeters thick and felt indestructible. They're also a bit easier to scrub down than cast iron. This is the splurge option. If you want a full outdoor kitchen vibe and need that side burner for sauces or sides, this is the one to get. But sometimes you need to leave the backyard. Product number 5, Weber Q1200. And take the party on the road, which is where the Weber Q1200 comes in. This thing is tiny but mighty. When I picked it up, it was light enough to carry with one hand, and the side tables fold in perfectly. Despite the size, the single burner puts out surprising heat. I took this tailgating and it cooked 6 burgers evenly without struggling against the wind. The ignition is distinct and clicked on the first try every time. It uses those small propane bottles, but you can adapt it to a big tank if you want. It's obviously not for big parties, but if you're camping, tailgating, or just have a really small apartment balcony, this little guy cooks like a full-size grill. So whether you're looking for a portable camping buddy or a massive 4-burner beast for parties, Weber usually has you covered. I've dropped links to all these models in the description so you can check the current prices and see what's on sale right now. Thanks for watching and happy grilling!